I'm going to host a party at Ariana's house. Ha ha ha. Now, I'm in Ariana's. I'm going to hang out with Jocks. Okay, Jocks. Now, we are now hosting a party.
Of course. Now we are starting. Let's start.
What is that noise in Ariana's house? Ariana, Sonia, Ruby, Iris and Misery. I heard a noise from your house, Ariana.
I think it was Camila. She is making noises.
OMG, you're right, Ariana. Stupid 19-year-old girl making noises in your house. That's it. I'm calling DEA and Enya to stop Camila making noises in your house, and I think she host a party.
That's it, Camila and Jocks. I'm so done with you. That's it, Camila. I have enough of you calling Sonia a dog abuser. Oh my God. How dare you making noises on my bestie Ariana's house and hosting a party. That's it. You are grounded for 2,000 years. Go to your room right now.